queue, I'm going to try and give you a POV of Popeye. We can't guarantee how it'll work. It's quite a long queue. Walking distance. Fortunately, down there. But we're going to walk There's not many in the queue, but it's still a 20-minute queue. Oh, they've got technical difficulties. So that means we might not get on. Or either that, or it can be a lot longer than 20 minutes. So we'll have to, I mean, we're in the queue now, so we can't really change our mind. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens.
I told you you're going to get wet. You've got plenty of notice. We are going to get wet, aren't we, Stevie?
Yeah, we're going to get wet.
We're going to get drowned. Yeah. We have a good feeling we're going to get drowned.
As a friendly reminder, shirts and shoes, yes, shoes are required to be worn throughout our queue and before entering our barges today. Sailors, if you do not have your shirt or shoes on, please stand up to the side and put them on now, or you will not be allowed to ride. Upon boarding, please be firmly inside the barge, firmly in every available seat. And once again, please have your seatbelts.
You're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet. You're gonna get wet. Oh yeah! Hey! Oh crap! Oh good under! Yes! Oh no! Oh yeah, that's right. Well, that was a waste of time. Wasn't it?
Bend over, go like that.
Here we go.
We're not dead.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Ah, nice. Right in my ear.
We're now back in the station. Thanks, yes. There's no way I could have video back and holding on for death.